And very good hello. Another day. We shall continue. I think I'll air pressure carpets away from the engine bay now, and I think I'll test this camera have some kind of time-lapse feature, so I'll probably test that because the air compressor makes so loud noise, so let's try it how it works. And boom, it's almost American car show ready. A lot of better. There was like a half of the forest. Ants were flying when our press at them. Looks like there's no bad leaks. It's good to continue from here. And now it's Trunk's turn. He's cleaning up. I hope it stands still. Yeah, works fine. First of all, I think I remove the parcel. Like that. And yeah, I'm gonna time lapse this also because there's a lot of stuff, so I'll just throw garbage away and see if there's something useful. And then I might clean these up with the vacuum cleaner later, so they don't fly inside the car unnecessary. Okay, now we have a chunk removed, except ants. There was a big ant's nest, but I think they will leave soon. I have some idea for them. One good one was car's papers. I investigate there better later, but yeah, it's time for vacuum cleaning. Alright, I didn't even need the vacuum cleaning. The ants understand our segment and moved right away. Except this guy, he said that he gonna wash the floors and then he leave. But now it's good, looks better. All the big dirt is gone. I need to this pile of shit take away, and then it's ready for next thing to do. The trunk's bottom floor or parcel or what you are called is missing. I have a parting out car and which hand it left. It fits there nicely. I might have real seats where is the fabric still what belongs there. It's not steady because the spare tire is missing, but it's still there and it's good start. Good start for rebuilding the trunk. As we noticed earlier, we have a speaker holes in the parcel shelf, so let's replace it with the unbroken one. Looks like here's a missing part in this corner. I have extra part and I will replace it later, but let's put it here now. If I decide to use some kind of speakers at the rear side, then I might use this old one. And then we are going to clean the interior. Firstly, I collect the bigger items away, and then I'm gonna vacuum clean the floor mat and the rocks and the sand and the stuff away. And like I mentioned earlier, the car's own fuel pump didn't work, firstly, so I took a spare tank with me, where's a own fuel pump inside, but then I didn't need it because the car's own fuel pump woke up and it's working somehow. So now I'm gonna remove the tank away. Now it's a first round of cleaning made. I will do it again with a little more specific way. I will remove the seats and stuff and use the carpet cleaner. But now it's a little bit better to start to do some things when it's a little bit cleaner. And in the next video, let's investigate the interior a little more specific way. What we have and what we don't have. And what isn't working and what will work later.